how to build a mutual fund portfolio that matches your risk profile. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we'll talk about how to build a mutual fund portfolio that aligns with your risk profile. Understanding your risk tolerance is essential when investing, and it helps ensure that your portfolio suits your goals. Let's break down how you can create a portfolio that may fit your personal risk level. Understanding your risk profile. The first step in building a mutual fund portfolio is understanding your risk profile. This is basically an assessment on how much risk you're willing and are able to take with your investments. Your risk tolerance can depend on a few factors, such as your age, financial goals, and time horizon. For example, if you are younger and have a longer time to invest, you might be able to take on more risk because you have time to recover from any market downturns. On the other hand, if you're closer to retirement, you might want to prioritize stability over high returns, meaning a lower risk portfolio would be more suitable. Types of risk profiles. Risk profiles are generally categorized into three main types: conservative, moderate, and aggressive. Conservative investors are focused on protecting their capital and are usually more concerned about avoiding losses than maximizing returns. If you have a conservative risk profile, you might consider mutual funds that invest in bonds or large stable companies. Moderate investors are willing to take on some risk for the potential of higher returns, but prefer a balance. A moderate risk profile may lead you to choose a mix of stock and bond mutual funds. Aggressive investors are comfortable with higher volatility and are willing to take on more risk in exchange for the potential for better returns. If you have an aggressive risk profile, you might prefer mutual funds that focus on growth stocks or emerging markets. Building the portfolio. Once you know your risk profile, it's time to choose suitable funds. If you are conservative, you might look for mutual funds that invest in fixed income, like bond funds, or funds with a focus on large established companies. These tend to be less volatile. For moderate investors, a balanced mix of stock and bond funds can offer growth potential in long term without too much risk. You can also consider index funds, which track the overall market and tend to be less risky than individual stocks. Aggressive investors might want to consider equity-focused funds, such as those that target small cap stocks or international markets. These can be more volatile but have higher potential returns over time. Review and rebalance. Finally, remember that your risk profile may change over time as your goals or financial situations evolve. It's important to review your portfolio periodically and rebalance if needed to make sure it still aligns with your risk tolerance. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more investment guidance. Thanks for watching. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.